Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create multiple drop-down lists in a PDF form using Sejda PDF. Firstly go sejda.com and here you will find this all tools option and select here create form option and upload your PDF file. PDF file. This is our PDF file already uploaded. And here you will find this drop down box. Click here drop down and draw or insert a drop down box and click here this field properties and type here a drop down list menu. Type name. Okay, now click this drop down list already create. Also you can change border color and duplicate this drop down list and delete or increase decrease a drop down list box area and move anywhere. And finally click apply change option and download your PDF file download and open this. These are drop down menu list we have created now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.